Hi, I'm DevRow, and this is Bob.
Hello.
This week we made the top right menu disappear, but it will also show back up again.
Hello.
When Bob looks at the interactable object, you see in the top right it changes depending on what you're looking at, so it's context sensitive. It will do this for all of the objects, even though there are some errors where it doesn't update right. But that's a smaller bug, just need to change when he does this. What also works now is that it shows us which helmets we have. I discovered the mining helmet earlier, and we can destroy buildings. Thank you, Bob. Can you show some little icons? There we go. The top right will always show you the item you look at, and on the B button here, as you see it's controller supported now fully, you can switch what you are looking at. Now Bob will demonstrate what we can do with the little guys there. We can get the helmet off by violently shaking. And the X button is not fully implemented yet, but it will be soon. Don't punch them. And then suddenly it was Sunday and I realized we are nearly feature finished. So I started on making it a fully game, and I will show you this now. We have a little main menu, and as you see, a little map as well. The main menu is fully controller supported. We have a character selection in case you don't want to play with Bob, and we have a little intro sequence I programmed yesterday. So the little guy will discover us and wake us up. After that we switch in this scene. This scene I programmed today. It's fully automated, you just put in what you want to do, play an animation or show text. I will add sound soon, when we do all of the sound. And then the scene ends and you can play again. Here you have a little tour around the map, and it's quickly assembled. So it might change in the future, especially the colors. I'm not really very satisfied with them. But overall, I think it's coming together nicely. So after some bug fixes, I will now fully get into programming more for the main campaign, so to speak. Overall, we start now to do the gameplay loop, so make you gather resources, build buildings, progress in the campaign until you reach the end. So, I hope you enjoyed my video. If so, like, share, subscribe. And I see you all next time. Bye bye.